Welcome friends, my name is Yuri. I'm top trading new offer. In this lesson you'll learn what to do with Bitcoin, where to buy it and where to hold it for a long term, because you see after that huge drop price hit one of the most powerful levels, 3,500. First, you should push like right now if you see it on TradingView or YouTube, and subscribe and follow me, because friends, you will get a lot of useful videos, lessons, ideas, and if you subscribe you get notification, and also YouTube and TradingView show it to more people if you subscribe. That's why please push like and subscribe. Best if you also write a comment. Once more about Bitcoin, like I told to many of you, my ideas about Bitcoin was where is it? Bitcoin here. That's the reason why you should subscribe on my TradingView channel. Like I told here, price bounced from this key level, but price didn't break it, but price didn't pull back, and you can see that here was this triangle, and after that when price broke it down, you can see on this dramatic drop. That's why you can see that I told that price would drop nearly 7,800. After that, price dropped 50% to 3,500. What you can do right now, and what is important for you to understand about all market cycles, because many of you trade Bitcoin and you don't ask yourself what is cost of Bitcoin, why people will buy it, because you need to understand the whole picture at this moment. Many traders who I know told me that Bitcoin, because if American market like S&P 500, when S&P 500 will start dropping, crypto will increase dramatically. But what you need to understand, Bitcoin is not a hedge instrument. Like you can see it, S&P 500 dropped down 30%, Bitcoin didn't rise. The same with gold. Even gold is not a hedge instrument, because you can see when markets start dropping dramatically, gold didn't rise. The main you need to understand that smart people, huge investors who has big amount of money, huge amount of money, we don't speak about 1,000 2,000, we speak about trillions, billions of dollars. Those people do not invest their money into Bitcoin currently, and they do not invest their money into gold currently, because you see it on a chart. The main point for you, if you want to buy Bitcoin, is to ask yourself where will be the best place to buy it with low and predictable risk. That's what is the most important part in trading: low predictable risk. If you have in your entry low predictable risk, you can survive it and you can hold it for a long term. From my point of view, from my personal point of view, nearly this area of 3,000, I would personally open buy on Bitcoin in this area. It would be nearly 4,000 and 3,100. If Bitcoin will come back to this area, if the price will few seconds, this accumulation up price, so soon that could be the same. Friends, you need to understand at this moment you have a possibility to buy Bitcoin with 50% discount. That's why I think it will be the best place to buy it, because just imagine you buy Bitcoin here, you buy it here, and you have price in 2 times, in 3 times lower than it was here, and in this place you can hold it for a few months. Because you need to understand, if Bitcoin in a time of crisis didn't rise, it means why big players use it. Big players didn't want to move the price. That's why that theory, like I told you, stock market down, Bitcoin up, doesn't work. At this moment for you, you need to choose best place from which price a huge possibility can do a rise. That's why at this moment it's the best, nearly 3,000, 3,500, 3,000, 4,000. That would be the best area to buy Bitcoin for long term. What does it mean for long term? You buy it first without leverage. Second, you buy it and just hold. You don't trade, you don't speculate, you even can withdraw it from your crypto exchange. Friends, right now, if you think this lesson is useful for you, push like and share it with your friends, because when you share it with your friends, more people will know how to do it in this difficult situation, and Trading and YouTube will promote that video because you support it. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.